Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by my Easy Cooking channel. Today I'm going to cook some bacon, and I'm going to compare turkey bacon with regular bacon. Now sometimes people ask why I use turkey bacon and they kind of turn up their noses at it, but I had open heart surgery 3 years ago, so I try to watch my fat intake as much as I can. So let's go inside and cook some bacon. I went to a heart patient reunion at the hospital last summer, and this was me, heart patient number 1722, and I had endocarditis, which is an infection, a bacteria that gets in your bloodstream, and it ate up my heart valve, so I had to have my heart valve replaced. So I was in the hospital for 17 days on that. A lot of people, including the doctors, thought I was going to die, so I watch my diet pretty close. I have two types of bacon here. The first one is turkey bacon, and this one is fully cooked, this particular brand. Some are, some aren't. And then this one here is, actually this is a pretty natural bacon that I picked up at the grocery outlet. It's uncured, no nitrates, no preservatives, 40% less fat. And I was looking at it, and it's actually the same amount of calories as the turkey bacon. So we'll cook them both and compare them. Most of the turkey bacon I buy is about 30 calories per slice. And usually pork bacon is about 90, although this particular brand here is only 30, so that's pretty good. But I also have a pig valve in my heart, so gotta respect the pig. So there's the bacon laid out side by side. Turkey bacon here, regular bacon there. You can see how much more fat's in that. And I'm just going to put this in the toaster oven. I set my oven to 350 degrees. And I prefer to cook bacon in the oven because it cooks more evenly than it does in the frying pan. So we'll be back in a few minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. So let's check on this. That looks pretty good. I like my bacon pretty crispy. Plus it cooks more of the fat out of it. So let's let this cool down and then we'll try it out. Here's how it looks right out of the oven. Now you can see all that fat there. That's from the regular bacon. There's no fat in turkey bacon like that. So I'm going to set these on some paper towels and let them soak up the grease a little bit. There's how our bacon looks when it's all cooked. I think I'm one of the only guys on YouTube that uses turkey bacon, besides Matty Fusaro. He has a fitness channel. I mentioned that on a comment one day and he just laughed. So there's the turkey bacon. It looks more appetizing after it's cooked. And I'm used to that. I actually think it tastes pretty good myself. And this is the regular pork bacon. Most of the fat cooked out of that, so this should be pretty good too. The pork bacon, it's crispier, but it's also a lot greasier and fattier tasting. It's good, but I'm so used to turkey bacon that almost seems a little too greasy to me. You know, you kind of eat things for a while, you get used to them. So all I'm saying is, you know, if you're trying to watch the fats, you know, give turkey bacon a try. You might like it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.